There are many products available to choose blenders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our pick for the best value. It includes a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than other NutriBullet models, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. The blades screw onto the top of the personal cups and then get inverted to be blended, so be careful to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base of the blender when you're done blending. Number 2. Cuisinart Smartpower Duet Blender Food Processor. A highly popular Cuisinart blender food processor combo. It has a low-profile 40-ounce glass jar and 7 blending and processing options that are clearly marked and easy to use. We love that it comes with a compact food processor bowl for chopping, stirring, and shredding. When blender testing, we found that this blender was very easy to clean and that it ground ingredients exceptionally well. We do recommend making berry and protein smoothies without tough kale though, since in our tests it didn't blend kale very well. Once the food processor attachment was on, we were even more impressed with how this model minced parsley, shredded carrots, and sliced pepperoni. All parts, except for the base, are dishwasher safe. Of note, at 500 watts, this is not the most high-powered blender, and if you overwork the blender, it will stop working temporarily until it cools down. Number 3. Breville, the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture, with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. We've tested a lot of personal blenders over the years, and this one surprised us with the amount of presets it offered. Compared to many personal blenders that only feature a pulse button, we especially love the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. In our tests, we loved how the margarita was rich and creamy, and there was absolutely no grit from the superfine sugar used. Don't forget the homemade peanut butter that was smooth and creamy in under 3 minutes. This model suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with 2 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Claiming to blend even the toughest ingredients, from kale to almonds, this sleek blender passed our test with flying colors. We couldn't taste the kale in our smoothie. It crushed ice into snow-like consistency, and it even blended chia seeds smoothly. It features easy-to-use presets for crushing ice, smoothies, and icy drinks. Plus, a little soap and water added to the self-clean cycle makes sure no food bits are left behind in hard-to-reach spots. In our tests, we noticed that the start button is a little small and sometimes needed to be pressed several times to activate. We love its sleek design and that you can pick from a variety of fun colors. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.